Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla, and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so I got another package. You guys know, ooh, this is heavy. You guys know your girl loves some new things. So this is actually from Gucci, as you guys have seen from the title. I'm just gonna actually open this and then I'll show you the packaging because this is a mess. All right, after forever and a day, I finally got it open, and as you can see, it is from Gucci. And as you guys know, they've been coming with, it's actually this way. They've been coming with, this is the dust bag, the green, which I really like. But yeah, it's giving Christmas, but who doesn't love a Christmas present any day out of the year? So let me actually open this up with you all. Let's take this ribbon off. Just gonna take this top off. So I was online looking for a handbag, and I happened to run into or come upon, whatever, however you say it. I ran into these, and yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. You guys know I like different things, so this is fairly different, but I felt like I had to get them. And as you can see, they are shoes. Just gonna hold it. Here you go. Untie this. The excitement. Oh, there's like a dust bag. Do you guys see that? There's like a dust bag within the dust bag. This is different. Guys, do you see these slides? Let me get the other one out before I tell you guys a little more about these. They come in so many different colors, but I wanted something simple and I chose the black. Here's the thing, they are sold out in women's. So these are men's, and these are a men's 7. So hopefully they fit. They have a little bit of weight to them. I will say that there's just this little Gucci thing that fell out. There's some weight to them, but they are platform. So then there's that. So you get the black with the gray right here, as you can see. You get the GG right there. This is rubber. On the bottom, you get the GG everywhere. It also does say Gucci right here in the soles. Like I mentioned, if you like these, you better get your hands on them. I had to get them in the men's size because the women's is sold out. It comes in pink, white, which depending on how I like these, I'll probably get the white ones as well. White, pink, I think turquoise. It comes in a few colors. But you guys know your girl is going on vacay, and I'll insert some footage of me. Oh, they're a little big. They're a little big, but I'll show you guys. I'll insert some footage. Oh, damn it. They're actually pretty big, to be honest. Like, I probably could have gone with a size 6, and I've said this before, I'm usually like a size 8, 8.5 in women. Actually, at this point, I've gone up to wearing 9s, especially when they're heels, but usually with Gucci shoes, I'm like a size 8 or 8.5. So I should have gotten a 6. I don't know why I said 7, because most of my sneakers in men are usually like 6.5 or 7. Maybe that's why I chose the 7, but I should have got a size 6. So we're gonna have to reorder these. But aren't they so cute? And these are, how much are these? I want to say they're like 400. You know what? The receipt is actually in here somewhere. Let's grab the receipt. I was gonna look it up, like it doesn't say it in here, and it doesn't. It doesn't. You just get this like Gucci card. It does not. So let's look it up really quick. These are $490, which decent, not too bad. And yeah, so if you're into Gucci slides, get your hands on these. I am pretty sure once people figure out they can order them in the men's sizes, the ones that have sold out in the women, these will be sold out. So if you like this style, definitely get your hands on them ASAP. Remember I told you that, ASAP. And this is rubber, just so you know. It's like rubber, it's not leather or anything. These are rubber sandals. But yeah, I just wanted to show these to you guys as well as try them on, because I wanted to see them as well, because I have not seen them clearly as I unbox it with you all. But yes, if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section down below. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Carla.Simon19. We got the other box, because you know your girl had to think about sizing really quick. So I'm opening this. It's the same exact thing, but let's just see the sizing. This is gonna be fairly quick. All right, let's just open this up. Again, it's the same thing, so if you want, you can skip through this. I just want to see. So this is the men's 6. So I had the men's 7, that was too big, but we had also ordered in advance the size 6 as well. And let's just see. Oh yeah, so if you're gonna get them in your regular size. I just wanted to insert this footage because I knew I had the other box. I wanted to see you guys to see that I had ordered both. Let me just do like a quick, let me pull the other one out just to kind of show you the biggest, like the size difference. This is the 7, this is the 6. So I feel like, in my opinion, it's a decent amount. Again, this is the 7 and this is the 6. Like, it's a big difference if you ask me. But I'm gonna keep the size 6 because the size 7s are definitely too big. So if anything, stick to your regular size. I've told you guys before, I'm usually like a size 8.5. A size 6 equates 6, 7.5, 8. Actually, maybe go down half a size, because this is probably like a half a size smaller. Like I said, I usually get a 6.5 to 7. So yes, a size 6 is half a size smaller, so half down if you're gonna get these. But yeah, back to the outro. Also, remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. See you in the next video.